How to stop Wi-Fi to switch to mobile data on iPhone. To stop your iPhone from automatically switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, you will need to disable a feature called Wi-Fi Assist. And here is how to do it. First of all, find the Settings app from your home screen and simply tap on it. Now, once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the mobile data or cellular depending on your region or iOS version. Now, once you tap on it, scroll all the way down to the bottom and there you can see Wi-Fi Assist option available. Toggle it off. The switch should be gray. You can only toggle this off when you have your data on. If you have your cellular data or mobile data off, then you won't get to toggle this switch off or on. So Wi-Fi Assist in your iPhone automatically switches to mobile data when your Wi-Fi signal is weak to maintain a stable internet connection. Turning it off ensures your iPhone stays on Wi-Fi even if the signal is poor. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.